I was on my way back from the shops the other day, and I realized just how busy my head was with thoughts. Analyzing what's right, what's wrong in social situations at work, in my personal life. What should I do? Am I in the right or wrong? Am I to blame? Did I do something wrong? Did they do something wrong? Am I reacting this way for a reason? Trying to find answers to balance myself. Wisdom, as they call it. And you know what I realized in that moment? That wisdom is being okay in not knowing and existing and not pushing and knowing the answers. Wisdom is letting go of all those thoughts and allowing myself to enjoy this moment. Yes, melt that chocolate. Yes, drizzle that chocolate. Flavor? Yes, I want it rosy. Those goji berries are so juicy. That crunch on that rice? I deserve to give myself this moment and indulge in bliss. Creating food is my bliss. Wisdom is not carrying weight that doesn't need to be carried. Knowing sometimes you don't need to know about what's right and what's wrong, if not most of the time. Even if there is an answer, don't look for the answer. Trust your instincts to make moves at the right time. Now, let me feel that silky chocolate melt slowly. I deserve it. And guess what? You deserve it too.